Hi, this is Preeti here, your life coach and law of attraction guide. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a success story of one of my students who attended my New Moon Healing Workshop. She has had an amazing success with finding a new job right after the New Moon Healing Workshop. Let's listen to what she has to say.
My success story. Hi, I'm Chaitra. 2 months back, I had done a grammar course from Miss Shweta Gupta, and how much I wished I could work with her. But then I knew it was not possible as she was handling everything all by herself. On 20th June, that is on Saturday, I did my first New Moon Healing Workshop with Miss Preeti Kamath. And guess what? On Tuesday, that is 23rd June, I get an opportunity to apply for an interview as a grammar trainer from Miss Shweta Gupta. My happiness had no limits, but the rumbling in my stomach couldn't stop till yesterday when the results were declared. That is on 28th June. And guess what? I'm selected. My instinct says it's a big stepping stone to achieve the goal which I had set on the New Moon Healing Workshop under the guidance of Miss Preeti Kamath. Thanks Miss Shweta Gupta and thanks a lot Miss Preeti Kamath. Love you ma'am. You do make miracles happen. Thank you universe. Thank you universe. Thank you universe.
Congratulations on your new job. I am so happy that the New Moon Healing session has really helped you focus your intentions and manifest them. Well done and all the best. If you guys are interested in attending the next Full Moon Healing Workshop coming up on July 4th, the details are in the description below. Seats are limited, so sign up now. I will see you in another video soon. Bye.